what? This year 2020 has been really crazy, and if there's something that's gonna give you joy, then just go for it.
I thought it was better to wallow.
Hey you guys, what is up? It's a really odd time to start a vlog, but I'm starting it in the night because I got like a bomb idea to set up a Christmas tree. So I thought, why not start the vlog tonight and tell you how much I love Christmas trees. So as a child, I used to always, dream of having a Christmas tree at home, but I don't know, for some reason we never had. But I thought this year, let's have a Christmas tree at home, and that is what we're going to be doing all throughout the vlog. You will love the vlog, trust me. So yeah, the winters are already here. It's November already and it's getting so cold. Also in this video, I wanted to do like a little pamper session for my skin, which has been acting really crazy lately. So I'm just gonna show you what is my current favorite winter skincare routine. Okay, let's get our skin pampering session going. So I'm going to be using some exciting products which are very nourishing and very moisturizing for the skin. So first off, I'm planning on chemically exfoliating my skin because I think it's been over a month that I chemically exfoliated my skin. So for those of you who are new to chemical exfoliation, it is nothing but a process of deep cleansing your pores, removing all the dead skin cells using concentrated liquids. So for that, I'm going to be using this one from Dot & Key Skincare. Now this is the Hydro Peel Glow Potion with 10% AHA and 2% BHA. So this is like an exfoliating serum. So this also has natural fruit acids. It smoothens and refines your skin, and it has no nasty chemicals. My skin is clean and dry. Make sure your skin is dry before you chemically exfoliate. And I'm not going to use a dropper on my face, but just drop some of the liquid. I'm going to be using this much of the product, and I'm gently going to massage it all over my face, and I'm going to let this sit for about 7 minutes and then wash it off and then do the next steps. So this exfoliating serum is made of glycolic, lactic and salicylic acids to unglue dead skin cells for smoother and softer and glowing complexion. So I just washed off my face, and if you can see, it looks so glowy and nice. I absolutely love Dot & Key skincare products. I feel like they give me instant results. I love their green clay mask as well, the acne mask. I feel like if I just put it on my newly coming up pimple, it instantly vanishes. I don't know if it's just me or what it is, but it definitely works for me. So since I'm done washing off my face with just water, now it's time for it to cool down. So I just have a block of ice here, which I'm going to rub it all over my skin. Make sure you don't place the cube of ice on one particular spot for more than 5 seconds.
There's nothing to fear.
Okay, now that I'm done rubbing ice all over my face is still damp. So I'm just going to give it like a very light pat, because the next thing that I'm going to use has to be used on damp skin. So the next one that I'm going to be using is again from Dot & Key Skincare. This is their Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. Now I absolutely love how nourishing this product is on my skin. Just pat it on my skin. Make sure that your skin is damp every time you apply hyaluronic acid serum, because that's when it gets absorbed really quick onto your skin and gives you instant results. This hyaluronic acid serum, fortified with antioxidants and vitamin C, is just what you need for dull, dehydrated skin. It fights free radical damage and infuses the skin with moisture, restoring dewy, youthful radiance. So this hyaluronic serum concentrate has extracts of Bulgarian rose and acai berry, which are both extremely nourishing. So it's been over 2 minutes that I applied the hyaluronic serum on my face. Now it's time for my most favorite product. This is a new launch by Dot & Key. This is their AHA sleeping mask. Now sleeping masks are such a savior, especially during winters. You don't want to keep on washing your face after the mask is off. It's just such a hassle. So I absolutely love and prefer using sleeping masks, especially during winters, and I'm so in love with this one from Dot & Key. Now this is their AHA exfoliating sleeping mask. This is made of natural extracts of pineapple and borage flower, and it's got like a very beautiful texture. It's got like a very jelly texture, if you can see, and it glides so smoothly on the skin. So I'm just going to take this and apply it evenly all over my skin. So this overnight mask made with natural AHAs and hyaluronic acid helps loosen the bonds between dead skin cells and your skin, reveals newer, healthier, bouncy skin which is super smooth and hydrated. Combination of these three products has clearly become my most favorite routine during the winters because it's extremely nourishing and also helps me get rid of all the dead skin cells. So I'm going to leave the links to all these products in the description box below. You guys can use my coupon code NIS10 to get a flat 10% off on shopping at Dot & Key website. I'm a very happy child right now because I finished my skincare routine. Now it's time to go sleep and tomorrow is going to be an exciting day. So see you tomorrow. Hey you, so we are finally out. It's a bright sunny day. It's a lovely day to be outside. So we are heading to Shraddha right now and my mama is driving me. A fun fact about me, I've learned how to drive but I hate driving. I feel like it's one of the most boring things to do. I know a lot of you might disagree, but according to me that's like the most boring thing to do. So yeah, we are going to Shraddha right now, Shraddha Extension. If you guys know it, then you are OGs. It's like a stationery shop. It's got a lot of decorative stuff and they also have trees up. I called them yesterday to find out. So yeah, I'm super pumped to get a new Christmas tree baby home and I'm gonna take you along. I'll show you how I'm shopping, what I'm shopping. So let's go.
Broken pieces out of play. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
Alright, so we're just back in the car and dude, it was like a mini workout. There's like a lot of stuff in there like related to Christmas and I'm sweating like crazy. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good Christmas tree or decorations which are unique, then I would highly suggest you guys to check out Shraddha. And I wanted to talk about my most favorite accessory of all times, my Dunhill Wellington watch, classic silver watch with a black dial and my classic silver bracelet. It literally suits everything that I wear and it has to be my most favorite accessory of all times. So they're having a crazy Black Friday sale going on wherein some select items are at 50% off. So you can save more money by using my code NISHITHA Nishita and avail of 15% off on your shopping. Alright, so now it's time to set up the tree. I know it's way too early. Today is what, like the 21st of November? But guess what? This year 2020 has been really crazy, and if there's something that's going to give you joy, then just go for it. Don't stop yourself just because something has to be done a certain way. At least it's in the year 2020. For me, Christmas tree is a vibe. Just having the tree with lights on makes me really happy. Christmas is an entire vibe, and most importantly, December is my most favorite month. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my 6-foot tree. It's gonna be really big. I'm so excited, and I'm going to present you guys with a pretty time lapse. Alright, so I'm done setting up the tree and this is how pretty it looks. I feel so happy. It just lit up my entire day and I'm extremely happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse as well. With that, I am planning to make some dinner now. Now, since the winters are here, I feel like eating something really hot and creamy right now. Sometimes it's soupy, sometimes it's creamy, but that's just how I am. So I'm going to be making some mac and cheese tonight. I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you guys. It is just so yummy, so easy to make. Yeah, you guys would absolutely love it. So if you happen to try, then do let me know in the comment section below, or also you could DM me on Instagram and that would make me so happy. So let's first make the sauce. I'm going to be adding some soaked cashew nuts. Really bad with measurements, so I'm just eyeballing things. Next up, I'm going to be adding some milk. I'm going to be adding some garlic. Now I got this from the supermarket, so this is very easy, especially when you're making pasta. Now for a cheesy flavor, I'm going to be adding nutritional yeast extract. I've been loving this one from Urban Platter. It gives like a very natural, cheesy, creamy kind of feel. So I'm going to add about half a cup of this. So we're going to be boiling our pasta for about 15 minutes. I like to boil it a little more because this is wheat pasta and I don't really like the flavor of it being very raw. So I boil it for about 15 to 16 minutes. Pour this mixture. I'm going to let it sit on the flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until this thickens up, and then I'm going to add pasta.
और मुझे पता है तुम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो ताकि मैं तुम्हें वो 3 वर्ड्स बोलूं।
I am done with my dinner and my heart is so full, guys. I cannot even tell you. So yeah, with that, I'm going to end today's vlog. I hope you guys had fun watching it. Let me know in the comment section below which was your most favorite part. Was it my winter skincare routine? Was it me setting up the tree? Was it me shopping, or the mac and cheese recipe? I would love to know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. I will see you super soon. Until then, bye.